The WHO suspended trials of the drug that Donald Trump has promoted as a coronavirus defense, fueling concerns about the U.S. president's handling of the pandemic that has killed nearly 100,000 Americans. Trump has led the push for hydroxychloroquine as a potential shield or treatment for the virus, which has infected nearly 5.5 million people and killed 345,000 around the world, saying he took a course of the drug as a preventative measure. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has also heavily promoted hydroxychloroquine while the virus has exploded across nation, which this week became the second most infected in the world after the United States. But the World Health Organization said on Monday it was halting testing of the drug for COVID-19 after studies questioned its safety, including one published Friday that found it actually increased the risk of death. The WHO has implemented a temporary pause while the safety data is reviewed, its chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said, referring to the hydroxychloroquine arm of a global trial of various possible treatments. Trump announced last week he was taking the drug, explaining he had decided to take after receiving letters from a doctor and other people advocating it. "I think it's good. I've heard a lot of good stories," Trump told reporters then, as he declared it safe. Trump dismissed the opinions then of his own government's experts who had warned of the serious risks associated with hydroxychloroquine, with the Food and Drug Administration highlighting reported poisonings and heart problems. Trump has been heavily criticized for his handling of the virus, after initially downplaying the threat and then repeatedly rejecting scientific analysis. The United States has by far the world's highest coronavirus death toll, reaching 98,218 on Monday, with more than 1.6 million confirmed infections. Despite the WHO suspension, Brazil's health ministry said Monday it would keep recommending hydroxychloroquine for COVID-19. "We're remaining calm and there will be no change," Health Ministry official Mayra Pinheiro told a news conference. Lockdown measures and like Trump has played down the threat of the virus, even as Latin America has emerged as the new global virus hotspot. Brazil has reported nearly 375,000 cases, widely considered to be far fewer than the real number because of a lack of testing, and more than 23,000 deaths. Chile also is in the grip of a virus surge, with a record of nearly 5,000 infections in 24 hours on Monday.